Good morning! Good morning! Happy Tuesday! Yay! Live ako everyday. I'm live and I'm alive. Thank you, thank you, thank you God. Happy Tuesday, beautiful people. Good morning. Morning pa po dito sa Ontario, Canada. It's 11:55 a.m. po dito sa Ontario, Canada. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Kung saan man po kayo sa mundo, I hope your day is amazing. You are happy, you are healthy, or having fun. And just enjoying life. Talagang dapat i-celebrate natin ang life every single day. Because super hindi natin alam. Tomorrow is never promised. So, dapat talagang i-celebrate natin. It doesn't matter kung ano man klaseng araw mabubuksan ng pag-open mo ng mata mo. You have to be grateful because that's another day. That's another blessing. Diba? So, yeah. So, happy Tuesday, beautiful people. Ayan. I'm being consistent with my I'm trying to do live every single day because sa aming we have 7 days Go Live Challenge sa aming team sa online business. So yeah, so ito yung maganda because we have people na talagang magpupush sa amin to do something uncomfortable. Because before hindi ako Rosemary, thank you for watching. Live ko lang. Thank you for tuning in. Yeah, so because before you will never see me going live on my Facebook page. See guys, you have to do like kung hindi mo if you're not going to push yourself, then hindi ka mag-grow. Diba? You have to do something uncomfortable para talagang ma-improve mo sa sarili mo kung ano yung kaya mo. Because I will tell you, you can do more. Hindi lang na tawag nun, hindi lang tayo dapat na mag-stay doon sa place wherein tayo ay komportable. Because I'm telling you, once you step out of your comfort zone, diyan nyo malalaman that you still have more talent na nakatago. Yes. Yun ang sasabihin ko. But anyhow, today, we are going to focus on growth mindset. So yun ang nilagay ko dyan. Why growth mindset can be your biggest asset. So I'm not talking about, hindi lang ito, basically, thank you for watching. Hindi lang ito sa aking, I'm not talking about mainly, Mira, thank you for watching. I'm not talking about mainly just online business. Anything that we do in our daily life. So paano ba natin masasabi that we have a growth mindset? So, ang growth mindset is yung nakita ko na definition is to do something better every single day kung ano man yung ginagawa nyo currently. So hindi yung big change kung ano man yung ginagawa nyo currently. So halimbawa, see for example, empleyado ka. You are working in, sabihin na lang natin, you're working in customer service. So, kung ano man yung task mo every single day, hindi ka lang dapat magpo-focus dyan. So, you'll find something that how can you be better every single day dyan sa ginagawa mo na currently. Diba? One thing to do it is to find resources. Magbabasa. Or stepping up kung ano yung task ng, let's say, supervisor mo. So volunteering na kung ano man yung task na you know it's not supposed to be your task but it's your upper level task. Volunteer to do that. So yun yung tawag nun, Yan yung definition ko with a growth mindset. And one thing is also, kung saan man, kahit saan field tayo, all you have to do is to do better every single day. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter kung ilang 1% lang yun, 2%, 3%. Guys, ang laki ng itutulong niyan sa iyo. Ang laki ng maitutulong niyan sa iyo. 1 year, 2 years, 3 years from now, mababago ang personalidad mo. I can tell you that. Mababago ang pag-iisip mo, mas marami kang knowledge, mas mababago yung pakikisalamuha mo sa tao. Your perception will change as well. At yun ay makakatulong sa iyo. Makakatulong yan sa iyo. Makakatulong sa iyo. It doesn't matter kung ano may ginagawa mo sa buhay. Makakatulong yan sa iyo. Nobody can take it away from you. But the important things is kung ano man yung matututunan nyo everyday. It doesn't matter kung maliit lang yun, i-apply nyo yun sa daily lives nyo. So yan yung tawag nun? Yan yung definition ko with a growth mindset. Because ang ginagawa ko na kasi is I try to read books every single day. It doesn't matter kung 3, 5 minutes, 10 minutes lang yan, but every single day. At kung ano man yung nababasa ko, I try to apply it into my daily lives every single day. Yan yun. Because little things na ginagawa natin every single day, makakatulong yan sa atin, hindi lang sa isang area ng life natin, kundi marami. So yeah, so yan yung ito yung part ng ng challenge namin. So which is good. Kaya yesterday ang aking topic is it's important to surround yourself with people, positive people na will push you to come out of your comfort zone para makuha mo talaga kung ano yung best version ng sarili mo. Because I am telling you, yan yung sinasabi ko na, yes, may nakatago pa kayong talento. Marami pa yan. So yan yung sinasabi nila na once na mag-stay ka lang sa comfort zone mo, if you always play it safe all the time, you will never grow. Because hindi mai-stretch ang utak mo eh. Right? You know what you're doing. Even nga na nakapikit pa ang mata mo, ay alam mo na kung anong ginagawa mo. So that is comfort. You know what you're doing. Hindi mo na kailangan minsan memorize na. Para bang pag tawag nun, when you started driving. Di ba pagka nag-start tayo ng drive, oh my God, talagang grabe ang natin, dalawang kamay talaga na sa manubela. Di ba? And minsan talagang ganun ang ginagawa ko. Ganun naman kasi yung experience ko. Of course, nandiyan pa yung nervous ka. Ang dami pag nagda-drive ka, ang dami mong dapat na tawag nun, you have to pay attention to everything. Front, side, back, like everything. Right? So, ganyan talaga yung kamay ko dati. Ayan. 9 and 3. Pero now, it's because I've been driving for a few years. I've been driving for more than 10 years. So, memorize ko na. Talagang, nakakainom ako ng kape, nakakainom ako ng tubig, nakakain ako, nakakapag-live ako ng ganito. Komportable na ako because I know what I'm doing. I don't even have to think about it. It's just automatically come on. Diba? So, memorize na natin yan. Now, if we stay in that state, we will never grow. Kasi hindi na nai-stretch ang utak natin eh. Nai-stuck na yung doon eh. So, anong growth mo dyan? Wala. So, kaya it's very important talaga na kung ano man yung ginagawa natin. It doesn't matter. Katulad nung sa akin before, when I was working in housekeeping, after ko magnani, I was working in housekeeping. Room attendant. So, oh my God, every single day, ilang rooms yung dapat kong lilinisin. Sorry guys, foil muna tayo. So with that, alam mo na kung anong gagawin mo eh. Yung bedroom, yung bathroom, yung everything. Maglilinis ka. So, alam mo na yung sunod-sunod na, di ba? But, I did not stay there. I did not stay as an RA, a room attendant. So, I volunteer. Check now. I volunteer to go to do something in another department. The same in housekeeping. So the same in housekeeping, but different task. So yaan. So nagiging all over ako. So anytime na merong kulang sa tao doon, pwede na nila kung ipasa kung saan. Diba? So yan, that way, kung ganyan ang magiging attitude mo, that way, kung ano man yung promotion na, kung ano yung vacancy na naandyan, na alam nila na meron ka ng talento diyan, that you went above and beyond for your task, sinong mapopromote na mauna? Diba ikaw? So ganun yun. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone talaga. Don't be afraid na mag-learn ng panibagong skills. Dahil walang ibang makikinabang doon kung hindi kayo din. So I hope it makes sense, guys. Parang meron akong pop-up doon. I needed to check. But anyhow, I hope it makes sense. So yeah, yun yung inaano ko na, yun yung sinasabi ko na, ano nga ba yung nawawala na ako. Circle back doon sa ating topic that talagang super important na we'll try every single day to learn something different. Yan yung sinasabi na growth mindset, because oh my God, kung hindi tayo, parang ganun lang, kung sasabihin mo na, tawag nun, komportable ka na, diyan sa ginagawa mo, komportable ka na. Guys, life is unpredictable. Hindi natin malalaman. Paano? Komportable ka na diyan sa trabaho mo, di ba? Komportable ka na kung ano man yung rank mo. Komportable ka na kung ano yung task mo every single day. So parang inuulit-ulit mo na lang yan, the same cycle day in and out. Na? Now, what if mag-close ang company mo? Di ba? Mas maganda yung nauna ka na. Mas maganda yung nauna ka na nag-aral ka na. Mas maganda yung ganun. Kasi, mas marami kang option. Diba? Marami kang option. Additional tawag nun, pogi points mo yan sa iyong resume. Diba? So yeah, so I hope it makes sense, guys. So yeah, so don't be scared. Don't be scared. Try something new every single day. Read books, listen to podcast na makakatulong sa inyo kung saan man yung, kung ano man yung field nyo na ginagawa nyo. It's of course, I'm not only talking about online business, because of course with us na we work online, we earn online. So ang internet, ang nagbabago yan every single day, every single minute. So we have to keep up. So we have to be open. We have to be open and adaptable sa mga changes. So dapat ganun talaga, kahit na, even if you're not working online, even if kung ano man yung ginagawa nyo, we have to be open and adaptable. Kasi kung close-minded tayo, oh my God, hindi tayo aasinso, di ba? Ganun lang yun. Ganun lang yun. It doesn't matter talaga kasi kung open-minded tayo, it's just a matter of when na mapopromote tayo. It's just a matter of kailan. Hindi yung you still have to do training, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, yan ang ginawa ko dati. Yan ang ginawa ko dati when yung nung nasa housekeeping ako, and then I applied for sales and marketing. Zero experience. I train. Pero yes, yun ang ginagawa ko. Nagbabasa ako ng books. I try to read books na related doon sa work ko. And then nag-switch ako ng sales and marketing. Na-promote ako as supervisor. And then it's because I always go above and beyond kung ano man yung ginagawa ko, na promote ako as a manager. So yan, nakakatulong talaga sa atin. Givea, thank you for watching. Oh, maraming hearts dyan. Thank you. I hope it makes sense, guys. So yeah, wag niyong limitahan ang sarili niyo. Hindi porkit nakagraduate na kayo ng ganito na meron kayong, it doesn't matter kung meron kayong master's degree. No, knowledge shouldn't stop. We should be evolving. Kiken, thank you for watching. Maraming salamat. Thank you, guys. We should be evolving every single day. Hindi natin limitahan ang talento natin because we have lots to offer. At maraming tao tayong matutulungan when we... Hello! Magandang gabi po. Magandang umaga na po. Early in the morning na po dito sa Canada. Diyan sa Pilipinas, but afternoon na po dito sa Canada, 12:10 PM na po dito sa Ontario, Canada. Thank you, Jerry. Thank you. So wag limitahan ang sarili. Talagang kasi makakatulong, walang ibang makikinabang doon kung hindi kayo rin. Rosemary, thank you for watching. So yeah, I hope it makes sense, guys. So yes, growth mindset. Dapat tayo, yun ang ano natin, dapat magiging ganun tayo, maging open tayo. Hello! Hello po. Dapat maging open-minded tayo. Okay po? So yeah, don't be scared to do something different. Don't be scared to step out of your comfort zone para mag-improve ang buhay nyo. Right? So anyhow, I hope it makes sense. So if you guys would like to know kung ano yung business na ginogrow ko online, kaya nagla-live ako sa Facebook, kaya ako nagpo-post every single day because I am sharing my amazing online business po. Hello JB, thank you. Because I am sharing my amazing business po para sa inyo lahat. I am saying that no, we are not limited to just work pay bills and die. So there are lots of opportunities that are waiting for you. Shout out sa Santiago City, Isabela, Philippines. Shout out sa inyo diyan. Maraming salamat for tuning in. Thank you. Yeah, so I hope you guys are safe. So thank you. Maraming salamat. Shout out Santiago City, Isabela, Philippines. Yeah. So anyhow, so if you would like to know, naandyan po sa aking business page ang aking website. All you have to do is to sign up with your name and email address, and ang aming back office na po ang magpapadala sa inyo ng information na kailangan nyo. So yeah, so enjoy the rest. God bless you, ma'am. Thank you. God bless din po. Maraming salamat. Thank you. So enjoy the rest of your Tuesday. And take care, everyone. Thank you again for tuning in. Thank you sa aking mga followers, mapabago man o mapaluma. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. So ingat po. God bless po sa inyong lahat. Take care. Until next time.